One closet, infinite outfits, hacks in 10 minutes. Most of us wear only 20% of our clothes, 80% of the time. Let's break the cycle. By the end, you'll know what to keep, what to upgrade, and how to make your basics look runway ready. No stylist fee required. Alright, are you ready to transform your wardrobe and in turn, transform your style? It all starts with a little bit of ruthlessness. We're about to embark on a closet detox, and it's going to require some tough decisions. So, steel yourself, prepare to be honest with yourself, and let's get ruthless. Start with the bed dump blitz. This is where the magic, or perhaps the madness, begins. Gather every single item of clothing you own, yes, every shirt, every pair of pants, every dress, every sock, and pile it all onto your bed. Don't hold back, the bigger the pile, the better. The shock is real, isn't it? It's a bit overwhelming seeing just how much clothing we accumulate. But don't be discouraged. This is a crucial step. It's the wake-up call you need to confront your wardrobe habits and understand the sheer volume of items you're dealing with. This visual representation is powerful. Now comes the sorting. We're going to create order out of this chaos. Divide your bed or a large space on the floor into 3 distinct zones. These zones will be your guiding principles for the rest of this detox. The first zone is keep. This is for the clothes you genuinely love and wear regularly. The second zone is donate. These are items that no longer serve you but could benefit someone else. And finally, the third zone is maybe. This is the tricky one, for those items you're unsure about. When deciding what to keep, be selective. Keep only what you truly love, what fits you perfectly right now, and most importantly, what you've actually worn in the last 6 months. Be honest with yourself. That dress you haven't touched in years probably isn't coming back into rotation. If you hesitate for even a moment about an item, if you find yourself making excuses for why you wear it someday, it's out. Trust your gut. The donate pile is for items that don't fit, are damaged beyond repair, or simply aren't you anymore. Styles change, bodies change, and that's okay. That jumper from a decade ago that you're holding on to for sentimental reasons? As hard as it may be, let it go. Give your old clothes a new life by donating them to a local charity or organization. Someone else will appreciate them. The maybe box is specifically for those sentimental or tricky pieces, the ones that hold emotional value or that you're unsure about parting with just yet. For these items, seal it up in a box, date it clearly, and stash it away in a storage area, out of sight and out of mind. Here's the deal. If you don't miss or even think about anything in that box in 3 months, donate the whole box without looking inside. Trust me on this one. Now, for your keep pile, we're going to implement a clever little trick called the reverse hanger test. When you put your clothes back in the closet, hang everything backward so the open end of the hanger faces you. Then, as you wear and wash an item, return it to the closet the right way, with the hanger facing the normal direction. In 6 months, you'll have a clear visual representation of what you actually wear and what you don't. Anything still hanging backward is a prime candidate for donation. Remember, this isn't just about tidying up. It's about clarity. It's about creating a space where you can easily see and access the clothes you love and feel good in. When your closet breathes and has room to move, your style does too. You'll find it easier to put together outfits and experiment with new looks. To make the process more manageable, set a timer. Treat it like an event, not a dreaded chore. Put on some music, grab a refreshing drink, and approach editing your wardrobe like a professional stylist. Make it fun. By decluttering and organizing, you're actively breaking the frustrating cycle of standing in front of your closet and declaring, "I have nothing to wear." Clearing the clutter allows your best, most loved pieces to truly shine. You'll rediscover items you forgot you even had. This closet detox is more than just tidying. It's the essential foundation for building your new, improved style. You simply can't build a great, functional, and stylish wardrobe on a foundation of chaos and clutter. Now, take a step back and admire your hard work. You deserve it. Think of your closet as a curated art gallery, not a jumbled storage unit. Each piece should be carefully selected and displayed. By decluttering, you've not only created space in your closet, but also made space for your future style evolution. This is the very first step on the staircase to a more stylish, confident, sustainable, and ultimately, a more stress-free and joyful you. Now, are you ready for the really fun part? Let's dive deeper and discover what truly makes your style unique and how to express it with confidence. With your closet edited, streamlined, and ready to go, it's time to delve into the exciting process of defining your style DNA. This is where we uncover the core elements that make your personal style truly unique and authentically you. We're not just talking about clothes, we're talking about the essence of your style. Forget fleeting trends that come and go. Instead, focus on the styles, silhouettes, and fabrics that make you feel absolutely amazing, confident, and empowered. What pieces do you gravitate towards? What makes you stand a little taller? What brings a smile to your face when you catch your reflection? Now, let's identify your power colors. Which specific shades make your skin glow, your eyes sparkle, and consistently get you compliments? Think about the colors that make you feel vibrant and alive. Consider the colors people often admire you in. Let's build a carefully curated 9-shade palette, starting with 3 versatile neutrals, then adding 5 core colors that form the foundation of your wardrobe, and finally, 1 bold accent color to add a touch of personality and excitement. Screenshot a color wheel on your phone or computer, circle your favorite shades, the ones you are naturally drawn to, and then, most importantly, stick to them as much as possible. This creates a cohesive and harmonious wardrobe. This carefully chosen palette becomes your personal style filter, making shopping decisions easier, outfit creation more streamlined, and ultimately saving you time and money. Now that we've defined your color preferences, let's define your overall style personality. Are you drawn to classic, timeless pieces, or do you lean towards a more free-spirited bohemian vibe? Perhaps you prefer a modern minimalist aesthetic, or maybe you're all about romantic feminine details. Or maybe your style is a unique and beautiful mix of several different influences. Screenshot the style archetype chart provided and see where you naturally fit within these categories. Don't be afraid to embrace a combination of styles. Your carefully chosen color palette, combined with your identified style archetype, equals your unique and individual style DNA. This is the formula for your personal brand of style. Write it all down in a notebook or on your phone. For example, I'm a classic modern individual who loves to wear jewel tones, versatile neutrals, and always includes a pop of fuchsia to express my personality. This framework isn't meant to be limiting or restrictive. It's actually incredibly freeing and empowering. Think of it like a chef who has a set of core ingredients they love to work with. With those ingredients, they can create endless, delicious, and exciting dishes. Now, take a look at your keep pile from your closet edit. Can you see your style DNA reflected in the pieces you've chosen to keep? From now on, you'll be making intentional and mindful choices about what you bring into your wardrobe. This newfound clarity is what truly separates great style from simply having a large quantity of clothes. It's about quality, intention, and knowing what works best for you. So, screenshot, circle, and define your style DNA. This simple 5-minute exercise will save you countless hours and a significant amount of money in the long run. Now that you've unlocked your style DNA, let's move on to the next exciting step, building the perfect personalized wardrobe to match your unique style. Welcome to the heart of your wardrobe, the foundation upon which all your style expressions are built. We're about to embark on a journey to discover the power of simplicity, the elegance of understatement, and the transformative potential of a carefully curated collection. Elevated basics. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill everyday clothes. We're talking about thoughtfully selected high-quality pieces that form the backbone of a sophisticated and versatile wardrobe. These are the items that effortlessly blend comfort, style, and enduring appeal. These are the pieces you'll wear on repeat, the reliable companions that you reach for time and time again. They're the silent workhorses of your closet, always ready to rise to any occasion. But they're anything but boring. These elevated basics are designed to be chic, sophisticated, and anything but ordinary. They possess a unique ability to stand alone as stylish statements or serve as the perfect canvas for showcasing your personal flair. Start with the perfect white tee, the cornerstone of any well-rounded wardrobe. Structured, opaque, flattering. Look for a tee that holds its shape, offers full coverage, and complements your figure. The right white tee can be dressed up with a blazer and tailored pants, or dressed down with jeans and sneakers. Next, a crisp blue button-down. A timeless classic that exudes effortless sophistication, slightly oversized, endlessly versatile. Whether worn open as a light jacket, tucked into trousers for a polished look, or tied at the waist for a casual vibe, a blue button-down is a true wardrobe chameleon. Add a cropped trench coat for modern polish and year-round wear. This updated take on a classic outerwear piece adds a touch of contemporary cool to any outfit, providing lightweight warmth and undeniable style. For bottoms, try barrel leg trousers, a modern silhouette that combines comfort and style. Fitted at the waist, relaxed through the leg, and super flattering. This shape creates a beautiful balance, accentuating your waist while providing a comfortable and stylish fit. Choose a neutral from your palette in a quality fabric. Opt for materials like wool, cotton, or linen for a luxurious feel and lasting wear. Add a slip dress or jumpsuit for instant, effortless style. These versatile pieces offer a one-and-done solution for any occasion, requiring minimal effort for maximum impact. A silk blend slip dress or a well-fitting jumpsuit can be dressed up or down. Pair a slip dress with heels and statement jewelry for a formal event, or layer it with a cardigan and sneakers for a casual daytime look. Similarly, a jumpsuit can be transformed with the right accessories and footwear. Footwear. Invest in a minimalist sneaker and a classic loafer. These two pairs cover almost every occasion. From casual outings to professional settings, these footwear staples will ensure you're always stepping out in style. The oversized blazer is your power piece. Throw it over anything for instant structure and style. It's the ultimate layering piece, adding a touch of sophistication to even the most casual outfits. Accessories matter. They are the exclamation points of your outfit, the details that elevate your look from simple to stunning. One workhorse tote, one mini crossbody, a silk scarf, a leather belt, and gold hoops. These finishing touches transform any look. They add personality, polish, and a touch of individuality to your overall style. Each item is an investment in longevity and versatility. Choosing well-made pieces ensures they will last for years to come, while their versatility allows you to create countless outfits. Focus on quality, not quantity. A curated collection of well-chosen pieces will always be more impactful than a closet overflowing with fast fashion. With these elevated basics, you're building a wardrobe that's functional, stylish, and uniquely you. It's a wardrobe that reflects your personal taste, empowers you to express yourself, and simplifies your daily dressing routine. You've got the core pieces now, let's make them shine. Proportion is key. Balance volume on top with slim on bottom and vice versa. Master layering. Start thin. Build out slip dress button-down blazer. Mix textures for depth. Leather, knit, silk, wool. Use your palette for color combos. Tonal for sophistication, complementary for boldness. Accessories. Elevate. Switch sneakers for loafers. Add a blazer. Swap bags. Same base, new vibe. Create outfit formulas. Tee plus trousers plus loafers plus trench slip dress plus blazer plus sneakers button-down plus jeans plus belt plus heels. Screenshot these cheat sheets. Try the French tuck, just the front of your shirt for instant polish. Roll or push up sleeves to show your wrists and jewelry. These small tweaks signal style confidence. Practice in front of a mirror. Play, experiment, and make these hacks your own. Style is a skill. Use these tools and have fun with it. You've built your wardrobe, now protect it. Use soda tab hanger cascades to double hanging space and pair outfits. Visibility is everything. Clear bins, no opaque boxes, and clear labels. Add a battery-powered LED light for boutique vibes and true color. Care for your clothes, wash less, air out, spot clean. Never hang knitwear. Fold and store with cedar or lavender. Rotate seasonally. Store off-season items and audit as you swap. Protect investment pieces. Dust bags for leather, tissue for silk. Treat your closet as a style archive, not just storage. Take 10 minutes weekly to tidy and reset. These habits extend the life of your clothes and make getting dressed a joy. A clean, organized closet sets you up for a confident, stylish day. Let's recap. Declutter, define your palette, invest in basics, master styling hacks, and maintain your closet. These steps build a wardrobe that works for you every day. Style isn't perfection. It's feeling empowered and uniquely yourself. Comment below with your biggest style challenge and subscribe for more weekly style solutions. Thanks for joining. See you next time for more style evolution. Before you go, Fashion Fam, if you loved these style hacks, hit that like button and subscribe for your weekly dose of inspo, trends, and real talk. Drop your favorite tip in the comments and join our style squad. Stay bold, stay you, and see you in the next video.